The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, compass, fog lights, clock, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, tinted glass, front license plate bracket, 4-piece floor mat set. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.